Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be working with table. We will see various options related to improve your experience with table and working around with your table. So let's get started. First of all, we will see how you can insert and how you can delete rows into your table. So to insert row into your table, select the row before which you want to create a new row. So I am selecting this 7th row and right click onto this row. So it will open up a new pop-up from which you can insert row and delete rows. For example, if I want to delete this row, then I will have to just select that row and click on to this delete row button. So as you can see, that row is now deleted. Now to undo this change, you can go to this undo button or you can press Ctrl+Z onto your keyboard. So my row is back with previous data. Now I want to insert a new row. So I am just clicking onto this row and clicking onto this insert row option. So new row is inserted into my table. So now I am entering data into my table. Month is June. Quarter was 2010. Store sell and it was 10,000 amount. So as you can see, now new row is entered into this table. Now let's see how you can add new column or you can delete new column to your table. So click on the column before which you want to enter a new column. So I am clicking on to this D column and right click on to that column and click on to this insert column command. So new column will be inserted. You can change its name and you can enter data into that column. And new column will be added to your table. If you want to delete particular column, then select that column and right click onto this column and click onto this delete column command. Likewise, you can also hide column, so it will be hidden. It will not be deleted, but it will be hidden. You won't be able to see these column. And to unhide column, click on to these unhide columns and it will appear again. This way you can also hide and unhide row also. So these are some basic operation related to table. You can also perform this operation which we have seen in this tutorial using this cells section. You can insert rows from here, you can insert columns from here, you can insert cells and shift it to right, and you can insert cells and shift to down. You can also insert new sheet from this option. So basically this is the insert option. Likewise, there is a delete option also. You can delete rows, you can delete cells. So this is some insert and delete option. So this is about working with table into Microsoft Excel. We will be seeing more and more details about table in further lessons. Thank you very much.